Mexico City, so watch the other video and then watch this one, I guess. So this ride is going to cost 20 cents, but I told her we're going to give this guy $1. Definitely worth $1. We went 2 kilometers. That's where we ended up, with McDonald's, so. Alright, until later. Love you, God bless you.